Okay, so let me start by saying this right off the bat. Audio is the one thing that can make or break your content. You can shoot on the most expensive camera in the world, have the best lighting setup money can buy, and nail every single shot. But if your audio sounds like you recorded it inside a tin can buried underground, people are going to click off. They always do, and I have been saying this for years. So when DJI dropped the Mic Mini 2, I had to get my hands on it immediately, because DJI has been quietly dominating the wireless mic space, and I needed to see if this thing actually lives up to the hype or if it is just a prettier version of what came before. Spoiler alert, I am genuinely impressed, and I think this mic is going to change the game for a lot of creators out there. So let us get into it. And before we go any further, if you are new here and you love honest, hands-on tech reviews, smash that subscribe button and hit the like button right now. It seriously helps this channel more than you know, and I put a ton of work into these reviews, so your support means everything. Now back to the Mic Mini 2. So the first thing you notice when you pull this out of the box is just how ridiculously small and light it is. We are talking about 11 grams for the transmitter. That is lighter than most earbuds. You literally clip this thing onto your shirt and forget it is there. And that rotatable magnetic clip is a nice touch because you can adjust the angle whether you are clipping it sideways, inverting it, or doing something a little unconventional for your setup. It just works. And DJI kept that same compact charging case concept but upgraded it. Everything clicks in neatly, the transmitter, the receiver, accessories, all of it. They also made a mobile charging case version which is tailored specifically for creators who are shooting on their phones, which honestly is most of the YouTube world right now. Now let us talk about the color situation, because yes, this is actually a thing with the Mic Mini 2 and I did not expect to care about it as much as I do. DJI went beyond just making a functional mic. They made it a style piece. You get magnetic front covers in 8 different vibrant colors and they just snap right on. So if you are wearing a red jacket or a green hoodie, or you just want your gear to look fresh on camera, you can match it. They even collaborated with a well-known illustrator to create a limited time series cover set with 4 illustrated designs representing different stages of creative life. Dawn, Blaze, Surge, and Glimmer. It sounds extra, but honestly, when you see them in person, they look incredible. This is DJI thinking about creators holistically, not just technically. But okay, we are here for the audio quality, so let us really get into that. The Mic Mini 2 records at 48 kHz 24-bit. Which is studio quality audio coming out of something the size of a large coin. And the omnidirectional pickup pattern combined with that rotatable clip means it is always aimed at your mouth no matter how you wear it. But here is what really sets this apart from the original Mic Mini and a lot of competitors at this price range. 3 voice tone presets. You get regular mode, which is clean and balanced and natural, exactly what you want for most content. You get rich mode, which boosts the lows and gives your voice that deep podcaster sound. Think late night radio host energy. And then there is bright mode, which lifts the highs and makes your voice cut through the mix with extra clarity and presence. You can switch between these in the DJI Mimo app, and it is genuinely useful because different recording environments call for different tonal profiles. And speaking of environments, the 2-level noise cancellation is a massive deal. Basic mode handles quiet indoor settings, knocking out fan noise, air conditioning hum, and room reverb while keeping your voice natural. Strong mode is for when you are out in the world, at a busy event, in a coffee shop, on a city street, somewhere with real background chaos. Strong mode cuts through all of that and keeps your vocals front and center. I tested this in a pretty noisy environment, and the difference between noise cancellation on and off was dramatic. Your audience will never know you were recording next to traffic. There is also automatic limiting built in, which is something a lot of people overlook until they have a disaster on their hands. What this does is automatically pull back the gain if your audio input spikes too high, preventing that ugly distortion and clipping that can ruin an otherwise perfect take. And if you want an extra safety net, there is a safety track feature in the DJI Mimo app that lets you record dual tracks simultaneously, one at normal volume and one at 6 dB lower. So if something goes wrong with the main track, you have a backup. This is professional level thinking packed into a beginner-friendly device. Now let us talk range and battery, because this is where things get really impressive. The Mic Mini 2 transmitter and receiver together push up to 400 meters of transmission range in open conditions. 400 meters. That is insane for a mic this small. Even when paired with the mobile receiver, you are still looking at 300 meters. So if you are filming a friend doing a mountain bike run down a trail, or a skateboarder hitting a long line, or even just doing some run and gun street shooting where you need to be far from your subject, this thing keeps up. Battery life is just as strong. The transmitter gives you up to 11.5 hours and the receiver gives you up to 10.5 hours. And the charging case pushes total operating time to 48 hours. That is 2 full days of recording before you even need to think about a wall outlet. And in a pinch, 5 minutes of charging gives you a full hour of use. That is the kind of practical detail that matters on a real shoot. Hey, real quick, if you are finding this review helpful, drop a like on the video. It takes 2 seconds and it tells me you want more content like this. I appreciate every single one of you watching. One of the coolest technical features here is the DJI Osmo Audio Direct connection. If you are already in the DJI ecosystem with an Osmo Pocket 4, Osmo Action 6, Osmo 360, or Osmo Nano, you can connect up to 2 Mic Mini 2 transmitters directly to those cameras without even needing a separate receiver. It is plug and play at 48 kHz 24-bit quality, which is wild. This makes your whole kit smaller and lighter and simpler without sacrificing any audio quality whatsoever. The mixed device transmission capability is also worth calling out. The DJI Mic Mini receiver can connect with 2 transmitters at once and supports cross-compatibility with the original Mic Mini transmitters too. So if you already own the first gen and want to upgrade 1 transmitter at a time, you can do that. And the mobile receiver takes it even further with support for Mic 2 and Mic 3 transmitters in blue light mode. So your whole DJI audio ecosystem stays connected and future-proof. Comparing this to the rest of the DJI mic lineup, the Mic Mini 2 sits right at that sweet spot for solo creators and small production teams. The Mic 3 and Mic 2 bring timecode support, internal recording, and more complex routing options, but they are heavier and more expensive. The Mic Mini 2 gives you the voice tone presets, the 2-level noise cancellation, the automatic limiting, the mixed device support, and the incredible battery life at a fraction of the weight and presumably a more accessible price point. For most YouTubers, vloggers, podcasters, and content creators, this is the mic. This hits the ideal balance of capability, convenience, and build quality. Is it perfect? Almost. The voice tone presets require the DJI Mimo app to access, so you are tied to that workflow. Direct Bluetooth connection to a phone does not support the native camera app, only third-party apps. And some of the more advanced features also need the app to unlock. But honestly, for a creator who is already comfortable using apps to manage their gear, which most of us are at this point, these are minor friction points, not deal breakers. The DJI Mic Mini 2 is a genuinely excellent wireless microphone. DJI took everything that worked about the original Mic Mini and added a thoughtful set of upgrades that matter in the real world. Voice tone presets, improved noise cancellation, automatic limiting, the safety track dual recording, Osmo Audio Direct connection, longer battery, and that whole stylish magnetic cover system. This is not just a microphone. It is a complete audio ecosystem built specifically for modern content creators. If you have been sleeping on your audio game, this is the upgrade that changes everything. If you made it to the end of this video, you are exactly the kind of person this channel is made for. So do me a favor, subscribe right now if you have not already, and smash that like button because more people need to see this kind of in-depth review content. I have got a lot more gear reviews coming your way very soon, and you do not want to miss them.